Hi guys, my name is Suraj Kumar, and today in this video we're going to see HTML iframes. So follow me on Instagram and LinkedIn. The link is given in description. You can go and follow me now. And let's go into video. So in this video we're going to see iframe tag. So iframe tag is nothing but it is used to display a document in a current HTML document. So it is used to display an HTML document in a current HTML document. So we can set the height and width. Next, I can display by clicking the link. So we can display in two ways. That's by clicking the link, by clicking the link, or by typing the source attribute inside the iframe tag. So I will show you a demo now. Then only you can understand very well. So here title, title as iframes. So next is body tag, body, so body. Now I'm going to type iframe tag. So inside iframe tag we can put the source, and let's type as hello.html, and we can set the height and width of this. So width is 400 and height is also 400. So now we save this and execute it. So you open the browser, let's open it. So this is in this way the iframe tag displays the document. So this is the information in the document which I included. So in hello.html, so this is included. Okay, and we are including this hello.html in this iframe, and it will display as like this. And you can click the link by and we can click the can display another document by clicking the link also. So can just create a link now, a href. So href can display order.html, order.html, and we should give the name for the iframe tag. So name is nothing but I will type my name Suraj, and give the target as iframes. Iframe name is Suraj. So give me a target name as Suraj, and click this link. I'm closing the link tag. Now I'm running it. So if I click this link, it will be displayed. So if you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.